Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhuri, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about Martian colonization yet again. Uh, I think the Elon Musk colonizing Mars is a pretty nice idea, and but there's one thing that I am worried about. Elon Musk is a private businessman. It's not NASA that would be colonizing Mars. Maybe NASA would get there eventually. I mean, I think NASA also has plans to colonize Mars eventually, I guess. But if a private corporation colonizes Mars before any government agency or government sponsored space agency or yeah, a government space agency does that, basically a colony on Mars run by a private corporation, would that be the best idea? Should a private corporation run everything? Should a private corporation be in charge of an entire colony on Mars? Who would handle that? Who would be responsible for that? Um, I think privatization of everything can be problematic. You know, I think privatization of the prison system in America has become a huge problem for in America, and I think both Republicans and Democrats would agree with me on that. That what, everything in this world should not be privatized in this world. So if humanity does eventually succeed in establishing a permanent presence on Mars, we are living in some kind of dome city or in an underground city, and we are living a pretty good life. But we are, the people who are in charge are basically a private corporation, and not a government agency, or not basically any country in this world. Um, would I want to live in that place, which is actually not run by a government? Where the police is privatized, where everything would be privatized, kind of. If it's the corporation that is doing everything, um, I think I would have second thoughts about going there, because private corporations. I'm not trying to badmouth them, because corporations are necessary. Of course, capitalism is good, has its good things, but it also has its certain disadvantages, I guess. Big corporations cannot always be expected to behave in a virtuous manner, because at the end of the day, they are doing everything for the sake of making a buck, for the sake of making a profit. If they don't see a profit in doing anything, why would any corporation do that thing that might be necessary on a moral level, but might not be necessary on as far as making a profit is concerned? Because uh, might not be necessary from the standpoint of making a profit, because you are always thinking about the incentive of making a profit, and that is not always the kind of incentive that should guide you as a person. So living in a colony that is, where the water, the air, where everything would be basically the responsibility of private corporations, I am skeptical about that, I guess. I have always been skeptical of the two extremes, I guess. The government owning everything, communists, the communist system, and in the same way, the private corporations owning everything. Even that is a big no-no for me. It's a big no-no for me, and so yeah, if I'm not trying to judge the intentions of Elon Musk. I'm pretty sure that he's a nice guy, pretty nice guy. But if is the one who is in charge of Martian colonization, and basically he's the one who oversees each and everything on that is happening on the Martian colony, uh, I don't think I would want to go there. I would rather be in a I would rather live in a city where the government is in charge instead of a private corporation. So I think there is this angle to this whole situation as well that we also have to consider before jumping on the Martian colonization train and making and just waving planet Earth goodbye. I am a lot of things need to be figured out if we are actually going to establish a permanent presence on Mars. I think we have to focus on these things beforehand, because if it would be foolish to go there and then figure out everything. Who is in charge of the of water supply, who is in charge of courts over there. If because if we are going to have a substantial number of people, we would need a police, we would need cops, we would need a judicial system. So all those things. Yeah, more on this in the next video, I think. Please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel, because that would help me a lot. And last but not the least, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.